Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of Tredek. Returning with my Lego sets, vintage Lego sets, especially from the 70s. This one is from 1976. It's the Lego set 911. That's danger numbers. Well, it is a universal building set or advanced basic Lego set. It consists in 396 pieces, and the box dimensions are 52 centimeters by 32 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Well, the box is original, of course, and it's showing a lot of shelf wear, moisturizing signs, ripped zones, discolored parts, but I don't care. The box is still alive, and that's I'm so proud of it, because I have this Lego set from my childhood. Okay, let's check the box with a lot of pictures, many models suggesting that it could be built by using these Lego sets, but not all at the same time. I mean, the building instructions will show how to build this main building, how to build this tipper truck with this train tractor, this helicopter as well, but not for this or this one or the float plane. No, only these three models and the big boat I will show you later. Let's check this notice, big sticker explaining in 3 languages, in French, English and Spanish. For children from 6 years and older, an advanced basic set offers the largest scope for more exciting Lego play. Detailed building instructions are included for some of the models. The pictures will suggest many more ideas which can be created from the imagination. That's what I've been explaining before. Let's check this thing. I really love this. The price was 126 bolivars. Let's check the sides. This colored Lego logo with multicolored, made in Denmark, for 6 years and up. More models for to build. This tractor with the trailer with a motorcycle, this Formula 1 racing car. This side, another view for building factory with this crane and tipper truck. The people, which are the armless minifigs 911. Let's check this side. This camper van with the little boat. This articulated tipper truck. And let's check what we have at the back. Nice little boat with a helicopter in yellow, float plane, twin engine. The one should be this one, the large or long boat with this crane, with this pair of cars hanging. Well, let's check inside the box. Oops. Ta-da! I really love how it is opening to show the inside situation, parts, etc. This plastic, clear plastic, it's not original. I added for more protection. So before checking the pieces, I have to show you the rest of the inner pictures. All of these models to be built just by watching the pictures. Well, let's show you the pieces inside. I organized them by colors, well, by types, etc. Let me open this plastic, and you will see all the pieces inside. I will explain you some specialized pieces. Well, those are the specialized bricks that I really like to mention. Okay, let's check each one. This red excavator arm large, nice with this brick. The bucket, everything in nice condition, shiny condition. I really love this specialized one. That's the most interesting. Look at this, beautiful crane, yellow crane, grab jaws, complete assembly. With this spring, it allows to open and close easily. Love that part. This tipper slope, yellow, that's for the tipper truck. The tipper end, nice. Weird pieces. The box for the winch with this metal handle with this red drum. Original black string. This blue frame for the doors, 1 by 3 by 5, that's the measurings. This old arc brick, 1 by 6. The blue bricks, 1 by 1 by 2, with 2 window shutter holder. This modified plate modified 1 by 4 with this toggle socket. The typical train track in blue. This for the helicopter rotor. Yellow fence, the small one, 1 by 4. The yellow window shutter. The trans-clear windscreen with 2 by 4 dimension with a weird height. Trans-clear slope, 1 by 4, 45 degrees. 2 by 2, 45 degrees. This trans-clear 1 by 4 brick. The rotor for the helicopter, nice. This is a propeller for aircraft. This big wheel, nice. 17 by 43. This turntable in black, great. This 2 by 4 brick with holes for the wheels. Weird plate 2 by 5 with this toggle socket. I think it is just for attaching this. Nice. This weird plate 2 by 4 with hinges. This is a hinge, sorry. Female. That's weird. Plate 2 by 5 with this bucket excavator bucket holder. This modified 2 by 3 plate with this hole for cranes. The slope for intersection roof. And the pieces for the armless minifigs or statue minifigs. Love them! Well, still describing some interesting pieces, just like this plate 1 by 2 with this jet engine, nice in yellow color, and this printed brick, yellow 1 by 6 with town car grill pattern, among others. Another color, nice condition. Let's check the base plate, green base plate, 24 by 32 studs with rounded corners, no white dots. That's the bottom part to check it. Nice condition. And finally, the building instruction, original building instructions with the 4 models included for how to build step by step. At the back it's taped, sorry, too many signs of wrinkled moments. No step by step for these 4 models. You have to build them by watching the pictures. Well, let's check it quickly. The tipper truck with the crane. That's it. And the main one I'm going to show you later. This factory site. It's easy to build, but you have to get all the pieces. Step number 10, 11, 13, some other parts like the crane, people seated on the crane, and the articulated tipper truck, I think, with as you see, the tire, it's a tire carrier, and the helicopter, the steps, finally built, and the long ship, cargo ship, I think, with the crane. As you see, the cars, yellow cars, that's it. With this description, it's time to build it. Let's go!